Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to destination for tech tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into how to create a new Gmail account right from your mobile device. Whether you're setting up your first email account or adding another to your collection, we've got you covered. So grab your phone and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Gmail app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't done yet, head over to the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Once it's downloaded, open the app to begin. Here, I have already logged in my email account, so simply go on and add another account. So, what you simply need to do is set up email. So, choose on Google because we're gonna be creating a Gmail account. So, now on screen, checking info will be appeared. After doing its information checking, it will let you sign in or create an account. So I'm going to click here on create account. It gives you two options to use your Gmail account for. It may be for your personal use or for your work. So I'm going to be choosing for my personal account. Here you need to enter your first name and last name. As you can see, last name is optional. Now after you've entered your name, you can just simply click on next. Here you have to enter your birthday, year, date and month. Simply after giving your right information, click on your gender. I'd rather not say, then simply click on next to get to our next step. So this is how you will sign in. Create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. So here I'm going to be writing Kimora Williams and click on next. If the username is already taken, then you can just simply write another one or you can use the available one. Then simply click on next. Create a strong password for your Gmail account. After doing so, simply click on next. Then Google will show you the privacy and terms. Take your time to read through these as they contain very important information about how Google handles your data. When you're ready, tap on I agree and your new Google account will be created. Congratulations, you've successfully created your new Gmail account. You might be prompted to add phone number for account recovery. This is optional but recommended. To finalize your account setup, follow any additional on-screen instructions to customize your Gmail experience. And there you have it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.